Yes, friends. Today I am back with you with one stock, and that stock actually is Gujarat Alkali. Friends, the results of this Gujarat Alkali, they are due on 18th of June. Actually, I had mentioned on the thumbnail 16th June, but the results are on 18th of June. So we are just trying to find out, whether any action is possible with Gujarat Alkali. Action means buying or selling is possible with Gujarat Alkali or not, and to what extent actually this can give us benefit. So today we are early morning in 9th of June, so it has got roughly about 9-10 days time, or say 7-8 these trading days. So friends, let us just check on this. So yesterday the price actually has closed at 340, and with 340 now. The point is that if you get stock somewhere around 320, this will be the best. But still I will say, because now the results are in offing, therefore there is no point in checking back too much back. Maybe at this price, or maybe 10 rupees less, if you get, that will be perfectly alright. Fine. And if you see here, friends, even as far as the moving average is concerned, moving average has just opened. And this is I am very sure about it, that this price, the stock actually will eventually move up, and moving average also will move up, because the results are coming very fast now on 18th of June. And as far as this RSI is concerned, it is 56. Now there is plenty of space, for RSI to grow. You can see here it can go up to 70. So if we say that it can go up to 70, that means, friends, that there is a possibility that this stock can go up to the highest level here. That is, I take 455. Let us presume the stock cannot go up to 455. So we will check, what will be the other possibilities. And if RSI is, if you see the MACD also, friends, you see MACD also is not in a bad condition. See now, because there are 10 days actually in hand, therefore all these signals have not yet come. Although here this is a spinning top, but still I will say it is not a clear-cut signal. You can get it 10 rupees at a lower price. Fine. And the volume, if you want to see actually the volume has already increased. Now the price is rising and the volume is also rising. This is actually signaling that the price actually may go up. Okay. So I am hoping the price will go up, and let me check with the line chart here. This is the line chart for 1 year. Friends, here in the line chart, the best price which is coming here is roughly about, say, 320. If you get 320, it is alright. Otherwise, part buy you can do here. And the first resistance, this is 340. It closed yesterday. The first resistance that it will face will be somewhere around 350, or yes, around, say, this is touching 1. And this is between these two zones. So I will say this is 350 is a price. Once it breaks 350, then the next actually where it will go, will be in this zone, which is somewhere around 380. And after crossing, because still there are 10 days time in this, so this can conveniently go up to 430. That means it has a possibility of making 30%. Let us discount everything. It doesn't go and make 440. Even if it makes 400, you are making a clean sweep of 20%. And as we have already seen, the direction here is up. It has not yet taken off. It has not yet taken off. And the moment as we approach the date D-Day, that is 18th of June, the price will definitely start going up. So I just leave it up to you, but please don't depend on me. The first target is 360, the second target is 380, and my top target is 430. Now I leave it up to you that you buy or not, or you check with your financial advisor. Friends, one thing I must say, that because 18th June is the D-Day for it, or the result date for it, so either you should you should come out of the stocks, or you should sell the stocks on the 17/6 itself, or you should be very careful on 18th, because after 18th, if the results are too good, it will go up. If the results are not too good, it will fall the same day or the next day. Fine. So, friends, that is my call on this. Actually, I am buying this Gujarat Alkali. Not I am buying, I have already purchased it actually yesterday. I have purchased in a good quantity, and I just thought of sharing with you my views on it, whether we should buy this stock or not. So, this is an advance information or the preparation before the result is out for the stock. Thank you very much, friends. Please join me on YouTube. Also, please notify, press the bell button, and also join me on Facebook, which details I have given in the description. Friends, thank you very much and have a nice day.